Hey guys, RunePicker here from the lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Devil's Tower, named by AJ Clark, but the lock is made by Dark Arts Lock Picking. And he made his out of a Lockwood oval. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this open today. I did take the cam off the back of the lock because I couldn't get the core to physically turn in my vise with the cam on, but that shouldn't affect the picking. So let's see if we can get this false set. Oh, come on. Oh, we got it. Okay, cool. That was not that hard. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and lock this back up because the cam's not in. I don't want the core to fall out. Let's see, we are picked. And take a look at this key. Let me see, we got that max violation near the back there. Let's see. Key works just fine. Alright. Shims. Alright, shims in. Get our follower. So we got 2 0 lifts in here. Interesting. So we got some nothing on 1, nothing on 2, but number 3, number 4 have massive undercuts, like super hollowed out in here. Number 5 has nothing, and number 6 has a massive undercut hollowed out in here. Let's go in tweezers. Organize these pins real quick. So 3, 4, and 6. So it doesn't look like the key pins are what's interacting with this. So let's take a look at these driver pins. There we go. Trying to get the shim out 1 second. There we go. So pin 1, we got a standard. We got a regular spring. Pin 2, we got a tapered serrated. It looks like we have variation in spring strength. Ooh, that's a nice looking pin. So we got like a serrated spool that was interacting with that undercuts and actually went the other direction. Like that. We got a spool. Got another serrated tapered. This probably has one of the nicest pin works I've seen in a while. No mods to the core, which I would expect because there's no grinding off for this. So just awesome pin work. So let's take a look at this. Look at these beautiful pins by Dark Arts Lockpicking. And you can see we got those massive undercuts on 3, 4, and 6. So that is Devil's Tower. Very fun challenge lock. Would recommend. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.